Welcome back to our channel, Economics. In this video, I was planning to do something different than the regular Excel files. So we will try and make a stock market tracker that will work on real-time basis. And in this, I will use Google Sheets. So first, let's open a Google Sheet on our drive. So we will make a real time market update tracker in which we will use the tickers that are the codes of company listed on the stock market of any market in the world. So we will be using those tickers. Let me see if I yeah. So let's open a Google spreadsheet. And we will be using Google Finance to extract the data. Okay, so here I have opened a Google Sheet. I will name this sheet as Stock Market Tracker. The first thing, we'll write the headers, whatever data we need. First is the ticker. Ticker is the company name. Code, like for Apple, it's AAPL. And then we will extract name, price of shares, change percentage, spelling. We have to ensure that all the spellings we are using are correct. Then volume, and then the trend, 1 year trend. So these are the headings. Adjust, increase this and the font size. Perfect. So first is Apple. So let's extract the company name from the ticker. So it's equals to Google Finance ticker and then the name. I will fix this heading. So here we got Apple Incorporation, same Google ticker, Google Finance ticker, and then price. I will fix this cell, the price. So whatever the latest or real-time price is available, it will be updated here. Second, next, Google Finance ticker and change percentage. And last is volume. Google Finance ticker and volume. So here we will get all the information which is available on real-time basis. A little bit of more formatting. Yeah. Now let's say I will update another company. Let's say Meta. Meta is the Facebook company. Just copy this. All the formulas here. So this will automatically help us in updating the data. So Meta Platforms Incorporation, share price, percentage change, and this is the volume. For volume, we have to do the number formatting thing. Either this thing is okay, or we can divide it by 1 million. So we know that the shares are in millions. Okay. Next is Amazon, Google, and I think Microsoft has the same code. Yeah, Microsoft. And any other, let's say Tesla, any other company, whatever your portfolio is in, you can write down all the company names here, stickers here, and then a little bit of formatting. Okay. Now let's make the interactive charts. So here I need 1 year trend of share price of Apple. So the formula for this is equal to spark line. It's a miniature chart within a single cell spark line, and then index, and then Google Finance. First, I have to select the ticker, and then the second attribute it's price. So I'll write in inverted commas price. Then I need share price from 1 year from now. So today minus 365, comma today bracket close, comma and 2. So this is the first part of the formula in which we define spark and we need a graph within a cell, then index, Google Finance, ticker, and then the share price. Today minus 365 days is 1 year from now, and then today, and 2, right? And now we will define the chart attributes. So curly bracket, inverted comma, chart type, inverted commas close. Here I'm using column chart, column, inverted commas, and now I will place semicolon here, and then inverted commas, color, color in green. Okay, so here I will close my curly bracket and close the round bracket. So first let's see all our brackets are closed. So this part is closed, this part is closed, and this part is also closed. Let's enter. Oh, there's an error. Stockline index, Google Finance. A2 is the ticker, and then comma price attribute. Today minus 365, comma today bracket close. Okay, so here we need a comma. Okay, and then chart type, column, colon, color green. Let's see. So here we got the 1 year trend of the chart. Now we will copy this for all the graphs. Apple has an increasing trend, Meta is on decreasing trend, and Amazon increasing trend. Similarly, we can create this chart for monthly trend. So I want monthly trend chart, and now I need a line graph. I will just copy this. There's an error. So we have to update the ticker. So it will not create the chart using the company name, but we need ticker for everything. A2 price and everything will remain same. And now from instead of column chart, I need a line graph and the color should be orange. So here we have monthly charts. So monthly trend is also here. So we can also create 7 days trend. Oh, wait. Here we need to here earlier we used 365 days to calculate 1 year trend. So here I'm using 30 days so that we have 30 days trend. Seven days. We can also create a 7 days. So this is monthly, and then if I copy this here and here, and I want 7 days trend. So column A for the trick, and then instead of 30 minus 7. So 7 days from now, from to previously from today's date, an idea, whatever the trend is. So we can change the color, I think red, yeah, and we can change chart type instead of line, we can use column or let's say bar. So this, I think we can also use trend here. And this we will use column or I think line graph is better. And we can do this, let's say a blue color. This one is good. So this is the stock market tracker which you can use for your own personal portfolio. Thank you. Stay connected for more videos. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.